this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Woobles Learn to Crochet Kit and seeing if it is as easy as they claim. Now, I am a crocheter, so I'm not coming from complete beginner, but I can give it a cracking review.
Eee, he looks so cute. Let's see what he looks like for real. Oh my god. I'm so bad at opening stuff. I'm sorry. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, let it all come out. Oh my gosh, it is cute. Oh, oh, oh my gosh, wow, that is an amazing colour blue. Right, so this is what we have in our kit. The wee woobly bits. So cute. I don't even want to open it. It's so cute. Okay, here we go. Oh, make Pierre. Oh, meet Pierre. There he is. Oh, he's the cutest. And then we've got his eyes. Oh, and we have a needle. Fantastic.
The kit comes with easy to follow online instructions, which can be found by scanning the QR code and viewing on your phone or laptop. And if you are more of a paper gal, you can easily download the pattern too. I ended up printing the pattern out, but if you have never seen a crochet pattern before, there is even a section for how to read basic crochet patterns. There are even cute emojis like this to congratulate you. This literally made me smile and made me want to keep going. Right off the bat, you'll find that the project has been started for you, which is a massive bonus if you were daunted by starting anything from scratch. And also it comes with these cute little color-coded stitch markers, which are really, really useful for any crochet project. The main part of the penguin is the big blue part. Once you have done this, you feel a sense of achievement and you just can't wait to get the other parts done. And you're like, how in the world did I make that? Then you add the eyes and he really comes to life. You just want the best for him, and rather than crocheting, you are now welcoming a being into the world and you want him to have all his faculties. All the separate pieces of Pierre are crocheted in the round, which means it's all circles. This is great because after the body is done, you are starting again doing exactly the same technique for the belly, beak and the wings. So you are perfecting a new skill too, which is crocheting in the round. Essentially, this means that with the right materials, you can crochet anything else in a circle, like a coaster. There were more than a few times I was hit with a sense of accomplishment, joy and awe, and literally thinking, I made this, and it was done in a few joyful hours. A small thing is the beak position is meant to be in between rows 7 and 8, which is in line with the eyes. And even in their picture, the beak is between round 8 and 9, which is just below the eyes. Correct me if I'm wrong. I actually am in the UK and you can buy these on Amazon in the UK at the moment, not on the Woobles website, for around $45, which is a bit steep. If you go on the Woobles website and you are in the US, it's around $25 to $30. But if you think of it this way, you are not just buying a penguin, you are buying a skill. Think of the courses to learn anything that takes so much money and time. And the materials. This comes with a 4mm crochet hook, which is the hook size of choice for many crochet projects that you'll find online. And you have 3 stitch markers in your crochet toolkit already as well, which you don't need to go out and buy. But this whole thing teaches you to crochet in a short amount of time and in such a fun way. In conclusion, this wonderful penguin is more than a crochet kit. It gives you a new skill which changes your life, even in a small way. The bottom of the bag says may result in getting hooked, which is what happened to me years ago, but I wish these kits had been out when I first learned to crochet. This is the first time I have seen materials, instructions and step-by-step footage, which makes it ridiculously easy to make something that looks really impressive. And a cute new plushie friend that marks the start of your crochet journey. Oh my god, I can't believe I made this in like one afternoon. He's so cute and adorable. You've made yourself a new friend if you make him. He's gorgeous. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy Pierre and the skills to make him, which is kind of the same thing. I was amazed that this can be made in such a short space of time. They are handing you a new skill on a plate and a few hours of joy. And if you can make this, what else is possible? It kind of makes your brain open up into like, I did that. I know I'm a crocheter, guys, but you will be able to do it as well. Like, it just makes you think, oh my god, oh my, OMG, I can make that. I would really recommend buying this for someone that you know wants to get into crafting or is just a bit hesitant, or for yourself, like if you want to kind of have that feeling of accomplishment, of achievement, of like satisfaction, I would recommend 100% getting one of these. It's a win-win. Like, there are no bad points with this. If you enjoyed this video, I think you would really enjoy this video. I'm so glad that you were with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. This video? Hang on. This video.